Take 3 to 4 teaspoons of fresh aloe vera gel, and add 1 capsule of vitamin E oil. Mix them together. After that, take a fresh basil leaf, and cut it into small pieces. Then, take a soap base bar, and cut it into cubes. Melt them in a microwave, or using a double boiler method. Meanwhile, take an empty plastic container, and grease it with almond oil. Now, add a mixture of aloe vera gel, vitamin E oil, and basil leaf, in a melted soap base. Pour the mixture in an empty container, and freeze it for about an hour. Once frozen completely, remove the container, and the soap is ready to use. Aloe used in this soap can work wonders on your skin by reducing acne and clearing the blemishes and scars that get left behind. It can make your skin smoother and softer. Stretch marks can be healed with the regular use of aloe vera soap. Vitamin E used in this soap can alleviate the problems like dark spots. Vitamin E oil is beneficial post-delivery since it helps fade stretch marks. It nourishes the skin, and is a powerhouse of antioxidants that neutralize the effects of free radicals caused by ultraviolet radiation, hence soothing sunburns. The antibacterial and antifungal agents in the basil leaves helps prevent acne. It can also help remove blackheads, acne scars and marks, and pimples. I hope you liked the video. If you like this video, then give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Thank you for watching.